this video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting in Google Meet on your laptop or computer. So it's really easy to do. We first just need to head over to the Google website and make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can then click on this square icon in the top right hand side and go and select Meet. We then need to click on the New Meeting button. And you'll have a few different options. You can either schedule a meeting for later, you can start an instant meeting right now, or you can even schedule a meeting in your Google Calendar. Now for this video, I'm going to press start an instant meeting. Now once the meeting started, you'll see this page here. Now if you click on participants over in the bottom right hand side, you'll be able to see all of the people in the current call. Now if you want to invite people into the meeting, you can press the add people button. You can then type in the email address of the person that you want to add. You can then go and select them from the list. And of course, you can invite multiple people at once as well. And then you can go and press send email. Now, you can also invite people directly via a link. So if you click on the information button in the bottom right hand side, this will bring up the meeting details. You can then press copy joining info, and you can go and send this link directly to anyone you want in the meeting. Now, once you've finished with the Google Meeting, you can just go and press the Leave Meeting button. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.